Hi everyone, Kylie here with Potawatomi Conservation. I'm out here on a part of Blazing Star Trail and I wanted to show you something new we have in the park. If you look down in this video in the middle, you'll see a herd of cattle. They're here from Little Mountain Ranch and Garden in Fort Calhoun. They're going to be with us for the next few months. And what they're doing, they're working hard right now actually, is eating down competitive and invasive species like smooth brome. And also as they walk through the field here, their hooves help push down prairie seed, which is going to help make this place even more beautiful. So thank you, cattle. Another new addition, you can kind of see some stakes here in the ground, is their fencing. This closes off their work area for now. If you can see that sign, this fencing is electric, so please don't touch it. But you'll see here in the middle, we've added something called a pass-through gate. What the pass-through gate allows you to do is to stay on Blazing Star Trail while crossing through the electric area. So the gate is not electrified, it's totally safe to pass through. It's a little slim. And then you can continue on through part of the trail that is technically in their work area. And then you'll continue on through another pass-through gate and go back up to Badger Ridge. So I'm going to show you how to walk through. I can show you this sign here too with a little more information for you. So first off, come on in. We want you to come in here. But still, please be respectful. If the cattle are over here when you enter, please give them their space. They are working, even though it may not seem like it, and they may not feel like it, but they're making a big difference. Please stay on the trail, and again, just note that there is an electric fence in use, so don't touch it. All right, so let's walk through here. I'll show you how to do it. It's kind of like an arrow. You're gonna go in here, turn around, and then come out this way. Oops, I got caught. Like I said, it's a little bit tight. What this allows is, if there are cattle over here, they aren't gonna be able to fit through, but you can, which is kind of cool. As you walk through, right now a lot of our prairie plants are still popping up, so the path is a little hard to see, but don't follow that. I want you to come this way. So I'm just going to walk you through a little bit until the path becomes clearer, so that those of you who come and visit, you kind of know where you're going. You are going to see some other paths here. Those are from our natural areas management team, who ride around and do a lot of important work to keep this place beautiful. So please just stick on this main path, and we may get some more signs out here to help you know where you're going to. But this is just going to curve around in a couple different places. Then there's another pass-through gate up here, so I'll meet you up there. All right, we made it up. We'll have to go through this gate. So you can see part of old Blazing Star that used to wrap through here. Part of the reason why this new trail is a little hard to see is we're rerouting it a little bit. I don't know how well you can tell in this video, but the new trail is down a little further than the older one. So you kind of curve up this way, you come up this hill, might be a little rough like I was. And then we're just going to go through this gate here and then follow the trail back up to Badger Ridge. So, just like the last one, and the arrow, and around, and out, and on our way. Happy trails, y'all.